Well, it looks like it's your move now, because when it comes to this decision, the ball's in your court. Just try not to drop it, okay? So the phrase, the ball is in your court, has nothing to do with courts of law. It's an idiom that means it's your turn to take action or make a decision. Imagine you're playing tennis. When the ball lands on your side of the court, it's your turn to hit it back. The phrase first appeared in the 1960s, borrowing from sports lingo. It seems to likely be especially evolved from tennis and basketball. It's like saying, hey, you've got the power now, what's your next move? If someone says the ball is in your court, they're telling you it's up to you to move things forward. Next time you hear it, just remember, whether it's a big decision or a small one, you've got the control. So, what are you going to do about it? Right, how many of you have actually heard of a paraprosdokian? Well, click the link on your screen to find out more about what a paraprosdokian figure of speech is. Thanks for watching and keep those curiosity gears turning, and we will see you in the next one.